Hey guys, welcome back to this channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to get free tokens on Beyond the Clouds events on Mobile Legends. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do is you need to log in into your Mobile Legend account, and if you already log in, you can click Beyond the Clouds events over here, Beyond the Clouds of Edith and Xavier. Okay, and then you can click, and then if you already in the Beyond the Clouds menu, you can click the premium supply, and then you can here you can claim the cloud coupon. Okay, you can click claim and then click OK. And if you want to get another cloud coupon, you can finish the task of the Beyond the Clouds event. Okay, so here it is. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you like the video, you can press like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to this channel. You haven't done that already. And if you have a questions, you can leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.